Hey Maxie, can you give Josie her dolly called Blanny?
Rennie.
Blanny.
Rennie.
Blanny. Josie, where's Blanny? Look, it's Blanny.
Rennie.
Blanny. Oh, it's Blanny. Can you give the doll to Josie? It's her dolly.
Dolly.
Oh, hey Josie, look, it's your dolly called Blanny. Where's the bus?
I found it.
You found it.
Bus. Bus is real fast.
Is it really fast? How fast is it, Max?
Oopsie, Josie fell over.